Ladies and gentlemen, I'm introducing to you an online platform called Freebiz. Now, Freebiz is a legit online platform that offers you the opportunity to monetize your time on social media. With Freebiz, you can make money online with just your smartphone. And you not only get paid for watching videos, you also get paid to do the easiest things online, like following a social media page, liking a post, commenting, and sharing a post on any social media platform like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even YouTube. And you can get paid up to 10,000 Naira daily just from doing this. Imagine getting paid to do what you normally do every other day. Crazy, right? And if you're a content creator, Freebies allows you to hire remote workers who will engage your posts, boost your online presence, and help you grow your followers organically. Now tell me that's not the dream of every content creator. And the best part, you can earn in dollars too. All you have to do is create a verified dollar wallet and you can have your funds sent directly to your PayPal. All you have to do is go to the website at www.freebiz.com, register, create your account, and log in to access the online tasks available. Invite your friends by sharing the referral link with them and earn up to 500 Naira on every referral.